Accessories. So today's video is going to be on the Lexus TX and accessories and extras. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you notify new videos. And if you like my video, please help me out for thumbs up so more people can see it. Okay, so beautiful color here. It's called Windshield Pearl. It's a very white color with a lot of flakes, and it's going to be more flakes than the Toyota version. Paint protection film, so I added on the front bumper, the hood only, nothing on the fenders or anything like that. Prevent some rock chips, because the rock chips on white paint doesn't look too good. So that's something that I think is a good idea. I didn't do it all parts of the vehicle. Yes, I have tinted window, Lumar Stratos. If I mispronounced that, sorry about that. And I think, you know, the UV protection is a lot better if I added the window tint. Yes, it's more costly, especially for the front driver's side. And the back one, there's a little tint already on it earlier, so you just tint it. That's why it looks a little bit darker. No big deal. The third thing I added is the door edge guard. So these are simple to do. They're actually aluminum edge guards, and instead of the little film that you add on the door film. And this is more sturdy, so if you hit a like a brick or something when you open the door, it won't get damaged your car that easily. So not only is on the driver's side, I wanted to mention that is also on the passenger side. So definitely is 4 pieces, and you know, you can see part of that over there, and it looks great. I'll put it in the description if you're interested in checking out any of these products. Another look at the paint protection film. Hey, number 4, cargo lamps. So these are mounted basically on your lift gate, and get the Lexus one, right? Because don't get the Grand Highlander one, because that will not fit correctly. Just some note of caution. And these actually eliminate the trunk area. So if you don't add these, it's going to be pretty dark when you open the trunk and you look for stuff. It's going to be more a challenge. So it does come with this one LED. You can see this over here, and that one LED is definitely not enough to illuminate the back of the vehicle. So in my opinion, it is definitely a worthwhile option to add yourself. You don't have to pay full price. Just make sure you buy the part of Lexus. And the 5th item I want to recommend is the screen protector for the information display. So sometimes not careful, or you don't know, then you can scratch the screen. Yes, it comes with plastic film maybe on it, but it's definitely worthwhile to install. You can see that it matches really well, and I bought this one for Amazon. Number 6, I actually added a dash cam. I don't know why Lexus doesn't have these standard, but you know, I transfer it actually from my RX to this TX, and you could see the wiring is just wire tapping washer. Okay, so this is going to be an interesting one. So Lexus doesn't carry a 3rd row cargo mat, and that's number 7. So I bought an aftermarket one pretty much on Amazon, and it's been pretty good overall. One little thing is I don't seem to have a little about an inch on top. It's not fully covered. Other than that, everything works great. You know, all the ends, the sides match well, and also it folds correctly, right? And just one piece with the cargo mat area, so you put the Lexus mat on top of it, of course. And yeah, it looks good. So, but Lexus doesn't carry this. That's why I mentioned that. And all these accessories will be posted with the part number in the description. Just go look at it. If you're interested in getting these, if you have other accessories that you think is worthwhile, please post in the comments. I'm going to look at them as well. And you know, please help me out with a thumbs up. Really much appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.